Thank you for that live update.
Well, let's continue going east, and that's where we find 7 News Detroit reporter Ryan Marshall live in Macomb County right now. And Ryan, what are things looking like where you are this morning?
Well, good morning to you guys. I'm in Warren on Chap Avenue in front of Trinity Lutheran Church, not too far away from Van Dyke and 9 Mile. And I can tell you the main thoroughfare on Van Dyke was pretty clear as we could see. But here in the neighborhoods and on the side streets, it's still a lot left to be desired as there is snow on the grounds. Really not much has come through here at all. There's about 3 to 5 inches of snow on the ground, and a lot of that is still on the streets as well. So we are seeing that people, as they start to dig out and come out of their homes, are having to contend with this before they even get to the main thoroughfares. I want to point out something down here. There's a gentleman, if you could see all the way down in the next block, what he's been doing, and one thing that I really do love, guys, is the human experience of people helping people. This gentleman has his power snowblower plowing this entire road, plowing this entire sidewalk, I should say, and then also the sidewalk of his neighbors. That is really amazing that he is just out here doing that. His driveway, his sidewalks are clear. He said, I need to help these people out here this morning. And so you can see he's gone up and down. He's been in front of our cameras. He's been to the next block and then the next block and then come back. We've had a nice little chat in between our live shots. But that's what it's all about here, is people trying to dig out in the morning time, trying to make sure that everybody gets to where they need to get to. We've got a warming center behind me, and people here helping people that are homeless off the streets, trying to get inside of these warming centers. They take them at 7 p.m. and then they have to dispose them at 7 a.m. So a little bit of an hour from now, and you may be able to see some people behind us leaving. They have to come out. But certainly right now conditions are still kind of tough here on the side streets in Warren. And hopefully this will get plowed so people can come out here very soon for work or wherever they're going. Here in Warren this morning, I'm Ryan Marshall for 7 News Detroit This Morning.
All right. Thank you so much, Ryan, for that view on the ground there in Warren.
We like the human experience. Yes. So good. People helping people. Hey, we're going to keep you updated on the storm aftermath throughout the morning here on Channel 7 and also on TV 20 Detroit.
And we also have around-the-clock updates on WXYZ.com, including the growing list of school closures. You can find it there, alphabetized again at WXYZ.com. Mike?